In this video, I will go over the things you need to keep in mind while selling your phone and how to list it the way to make even more profit out of a sale. Hello everyone, I'm Max and welcome to the financial channel where we talk about making money as a teenager and testing out different side hustles. So this video here is just the second part for Reselling iPhone's business mini series. So in this video we'll just take a look at this iPhone XS and we'll just take some pictures of it because we're gonna be just listing this on used markets. So yeah, let's just get to the work. Okay, so once you remove this bad looking screen protector, now you just want to clean the ports and speakers. So to do this, I will just use the toothbrush and yeah, let me just clean the ports and everything that is on the phone to make sure that the phone is just in a perfect condition. And yes, you need to be cleaning the ports of the iPhone since time to time because there's a lot of dust accumulating over years of using the phone in tough environments, and after the time the phone won't charge properly, so it's really needed to do so. So you just need to clean the ports, the charging port, the speakers and everything. And then there's also the ringtone switchers, so this also gets pretty dusty sometimes, so you want to clean this too. And once you clean like one side, just switch this to the other and do the same thing. And as for the microphone, it's also the part that gets dusty since time to time, so you want to brush this. I mean, the condition of this phone is pretty good, but sometimes it is really bad and you need to really clean this. And now once we have all of this figured out, let's use some alcohol to get rid of the fingerprints on the phone. And we're gonna clean this phone of the motion like this. And now you can just use a towel. I prefer to use the microfiber, but I can't find any microfiber cloth here, so I will just use this towel. And as you can see, it looks pretty well at this point. And now once your phone is just clean and looking nicely, you want to just place this on your desk where you're gonna take the pictures of it and also prepare every accessory that you have with it. So I've got a box, cases and charging cable. So you want to prepare the accessories and everything, put them nicely to present everything. You can also just get the stickers out to show to the people that you have the stickers and everything with it. So you just need to go into your camera app and start taking some crisp looking images of your iPhone to resell. We're gonna use like this 1x lens first, and you can also just use the 2x lens to get that extra zoom. Now also go to the settings, and in the settings you want to find the option called battery and battery health, so you can take a nice picture of the battery health. Now flip the phone, so just press on this shot button and take the photo. Take the photo of the camera lens and one final picture, and we're ready to go. Alright, so now let's go and list the phone on the market. So I will use my local eBay, which is called OLX. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna press on this add button. It basically works the same as the eBay, and yeah, you just want to choose your pictures that you've taken. So let me just select the pictures. And as for the title, I will go with something like an iPhone XS space gray 64 gigabytes Face ID. Just to know the people that the Face ID is just working. And for the description, I will go with something like a simple description showing that everything's just working. There's no any damage or scratches, so The phone looks like new, and then also I just put all the specification of the phone. So 64 gigabytes of storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM. The iPhone XS has the A12 Bionic processor, and then we have the space gray color, the battery health, the Face ID, cameras, and all the accessories. Okay, so as for the price, I will just list the iPhone XS for $360 because I think like it's a great price for an iPhone in this condition. So I bought this iPhone for $250, so I will just make it on like $100, which I'm fine with. And if you're just struggling with selling a phone, you can always go and buy a promotion, which will allow you to reach more people with the listing. But don't buy too many of the promotions, because if something's not working out or the price is just too big, then you just need to lower it a little bit, and that's the way to go. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, so I think we covered everything with just reselling the iPhones, and if you have any questions for me, please let me know in a comment section. I will just answer all of them. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, because I want to reach as many people as possible. Also leave the like, and thank you so much for your support, and see you in the next video. Bye.